My name is Jose Zimbron, and I'm a production foreman, and I'm in charge of two lines. One is the threading line, and the other one is the HDG, which is hot dip galvanizing. I started here in 1980. This year, it will be 38 years working here. I actually made a career out of this job because I started very young age, and I moved up in the ladder and had a different positions in the company. I started like any regular person, started as a lead man, then warehouse, in charge of warehouse, in charge of production. I did another role, which is the production manager, and then I went back to being a production foreman. Through the years, it was a good idea just to stay here and continue working here and do a career out of it. And I got involved in a lot of different stuff, like I went 3 or 4 implementation of new software for the plant. It was very good for me and good pay. It was a very good job and very stable. We produce different types of tubing, EMT, IMC, rigid, and they're all being used for electrical purposes. The IMC and EMT they use on the walls, internally in buildings, and the rigid is underground or in cement. I do see things like that everywhere I go. I try to look up in the ceilings because most of the time, new buildings, new restaurants, they don't use ceilings. They just paint the ceiling any color. And we produce tubing that it will be appropriate for any color on the ceiling, like the ones you see over here.